This is my new little baby. Her name is Grace. This right here is my baby. And she started even way smaller than this. And look, just look. Oh, the monstera. With, had me thinking. And I'm up and I'm thinking. So I'm thinking I had made some stuff, a protein shake, or not protein, but so I'm making something healthy to drink with this food processor, or juicer, or whatever it is, and I start thinking, I'm like, I had some figs, and I bought them for Kelsey Lou. She was not interested, so I was like, I'll just take the figs home, maybe bake them or something. And I let them sit out. Well, last night they started getting really icky at the bottom, and I was like, ah! So against my personal beliefs and better judgment, I put them in the refrigerator. And when I got up this morning, they were just like beautiful figs. I was like, damn. And so it had me thinking, of course. And I thought, it just came to me. I was like, God, the refrigerator really, preserved those figs, even brought them back to life a little bit. It's like, but they were growing and developing on their own out here. Am I in the refrigerator sometimes? I mean, they're all around me. There's always a refrigerator, right? It looks like it helps us. But it stops the growth. It stops the development. What kind of refrigerators have we just gotten used to being in that we don't even realize that our growth and development has been stopped? Get out of the refrigerator. Love you.